Hello and happy new year, and welcome to another back in stock video with me, Simon from Andover Triumph. Right, we're taking a look around the warehouse as always. Shall we take a look and see what we found for your classic Triumph motorcycles? Let's do it. First up this week is part number 371276. That's the rear brake drum sprocket with 43 teeth, and that's £94 and 74 pence including VAT. Then we've got part number 131980, that is the Tri-Spark Magneto replacement kit, and that is £438 including VAT. And finally part number 374209, that is the rear sprocket with 50 teeth for the Triumph T160, and that is £65 and 94 pence including VAT. And as always, if there's anything I've not mentioned this week, you can check out the Andover Triumph website, which is linked in the section below, or get in touch with the technical team as well on their email address, which is also linked in the section below. Right, until next week, thanks ever so much for watching. Until next time, safe riding.